Hey everyone, it is Elizabeth, the Safe Harbor team. I am going to show you guys how you can get an email every time you get a Facebook lead using Zapier. To begin with, we're going to log into our Zapier accounts and we are going to click to make a Zapier or make a Zap. So the first thing is we're going to choose the app that we're looking for the instigating effect from. In this case, it would be Facebook lead ads. The triggering event is going to be a new lead. We're going to continue. So you can set this to do, you're going to find your Facebook ad account. You'll have to add it if you haven't done this before. Again, select your page. If you have more than one Facebook page, you'll have to select the one that you're looking for, and then you can pick which form you want. So if you want it to only do a notification from a specific ad you're running, you could select that in here. However, we're going to do the default being from any form. We're going to click continue. Zapier is going to ask us to test it to make sure that it can actually pull some information. So it's looking. We can see some of the leads that were pulled in. We've got phone numbers, we've got email addresses, we've got names. That's exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to continue on. So now, after we get a new lead, we're going to tell Zapier what we want to do with it. And what we want to do with it is we want to send an email. So we are going to look for Gmail in here. So the action is going to be send an email. We're going to continue. Select your account. Here's my account. Again, you'll have to link your account if you haven't done this before. It will prompt you for all of that. So now you can select who you want this email to go to. So in this case, I'm going to just send it to myself. You can CC someone else as well if you're interested. Blind CC someone. Show who it's from. Or which of your accounts you want to send it from. Give it a name if you want to say it's from someone where to reply to. And then the subject, I like to do new Facebook lead, and then you can actually come in here and you can put in the full name of the lead. You could put in any other information you wanted. And then we're going to put in the body of the email, which is going to be important because this is where the information is going to be in. So you can format this in any way you want. You could, begin it off with something like a new lead just came in. And then again, just like we did in the subject, we can add the specific information from and actually, now that I think about it, I think it's easier, as you can see, like it's not pulling anything for full name, so we're going to do first name and then last name. We'll do that here as well. We're going to do our first name and then our last name. We can put in the email address, which should be here somewhere. The phone number, which again you can find there. And then one thing that I have not been able to figure out yet, like there's no campaign name that shows up, which is unfortunate, because then you can't really associate it with which one you have. Hopefully that will change at some point. However, it's not there yet. It would be helpful so that we could say, this one came from this particular ad that we're running. You'll just have to go back and take a look at the ads after. Anything else you want to do, you can click continue. You can then test and review. So a test email was just sent to my Gmail just now, so we will... Nope, that would be my personal, not my work. Let's go to my work email. Open it up, and there's the email with the lead sent by Zapier. So then you can just click done editing, and you'll just have to then turn your Zap on, and you've now got every new Facebook lead in your inbox. Hopefully this was helpful. Let us know what else we can help you with.